The city of Charleston is taking on the issue of gun violence, and now the medical university is hoping to combat repeat offenders and the spike in gunshot victims. News 2's Kate Prestag joins us live from MUSC, and this is an idea being welcomed by police and doctors, Kate.
Yeah, Brennan, right now, gun violence, the leading cause of death for children in our state, and MUSC officials say we are also dealing with it here in the city of Charleston.
The issue seen on the peninsula just last week.
We had 5 victims show up at the same time. 1 died. They were all young people in their teens and in their 20s.
Dr. Ashley Hank with the Medical University of South Carolina says this is when the hospital and community violence prevention and intervention program comes in. A team of men serving as advocates for those impacted by gun violence.
They work alongside of other community groups. They were alongside of our police right in the trauma bay when they showed up the other day.
It's a program Dr. Hank is hoping to get more funding for through the city of North Charleston and the city of Charleston to ensure those who end up in the hospital don't end up back in a cycle of violence.
75% of the patients we serve are from Charleston and North Charleston. About 34% are from North Charleston, and more than that are from the Charleston area.
Mayor Tecklenburg says it's a crisis, and the city already has programs in place to mentor and influence youth.
16, 18-year-old kids, if you will, unfortunately are at the point where they are as hardened as you can imagine.
The Charleston Police Department says there are 4 more programs as it helps their investigations and the community.
We can't do it all.
The Deputy Chief of Investigations says while they also have community programs through CPD, they welcome agencies who are not law enforcement.
People still, can have a wall between law enforcement and the community. So other groups that can be an intermediary and be that point of contact, and if they can turn one young person's life around, then that's a win for all of us.
Those with MUSC say that they are expected to give a presentation at the next City Council meeting to acquire funds through the American Rescue Plan. We're now live in downtown Charleston. I'm Kate Prestag, Channel 2.